we're at a racetrack somewhere, if you see a guy come down with a big long gray beard, he's coming to tell you a story about this. I had one before this, and it made 354 horse, and I can't remember what torque, but this motor's a lot better than that.
What kind of RPM you hit on this?
We don't turn it about 6, because the story I've always heard on these 6-cylinders, they get the harmonic in over 6 and break cranks. They say you either keep them below 6 or way above 6, and so we just don't run it that hard. It got a gear in it that I can run 1/8 mile or quarter either one.
Definitely don't see these cars around.
Hey, but you know, since I've got this car, I've never seen one before. And if we're at a racetrack somewhere, if you see a guy come down with a big long gray beard, he's coming to tell you a story about this.
How fast you clocking on this thing?
Well, it went a 7:36 while going to 8.
Okay.
It's run like a 7:18 before, but I can't figure out why not doing it. I've done a couple things to it this week I thought would help it. I need to be a running bracket with it because it runs a 7:34, 7:35.
Right on the money, huh?
But of course, we run index, so it's either 7:25 or 7:50, so it's really in between.